Good morning, students. Till now, we discussed about the changes which are taking place in human beings at the adolescence stage and the things which are responsible for bringing those changes in the human body during adolescence. Basically, we have discussed that hormones are produced by glands like different types of endocrine and exocrine glands, and those hormones are released in small amount in the body, and they are responsible for all the physical, mental and emotional changes in human beings during the adolescence period. So now today we will discuss one more importance of hormones, that is the importance or role of hormones in reproduction. Some hormones are very important in reproduction of living beings. So we can say that hormones are basically responsible for all these changes. The various changes that are observed during adolescence are brought by some of the hormones. Like in females, the pituitary gland stimulates the ovary at certain stage in life to produce sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. We have already learned that the female, that she becomes mature enough to reproduce during the adolescence period. So all the changes which are taking place in her body, that is brought by one hormone. Types of hormones, sex hormones are there, such as estrogen and progesterone. They are produced by the ovary. Estrogen is responsible for production of ovum and development of secondary sexual characteristics in females. So this is one important hormone, estrogen, which is produced by ovary, and this is responsible for production of ovum and development of secondary sexual characteristics. Another hormone, that is progesterone. Progesterone is responsible for bringing changes in the body of female during pregnancy. So this hormone is produced by ovaries only when the female is pregnant, and this hormone is released to bring changes in the female body during pregnancy. Similarly, in males, testosterone is the male sex hormone which is produced by the testis, and it is responsible for production of sperms and development of secondary sexual characteristics in males. So these are the sex hormones in males and females which are bringing changes during adolescence. Now there is one more case in which one hormone, that is thyroxine, generally which is produced in human beings by the thyroid gland. Thyroxine is also produced by frogs, and that leads to bringing changes during changes in the frog. So first let us understand what is metamorphosis. It is a process of cycle of changes in body structure of some organisms like butterflies, insects and frogs. All these organisms, they undergo metamorphosis, and during metamorphosis the body structure changes drastically. It is also controlled by some hormone. Metamorphosis in frog is controlled by thyroxine hormone. Metamorphosis in frog is basically controlled by thyroxine hormone. Production of thyroxine in tadpoles takes place by the help of iodine present in water, and if the amount of iodine is insufficient in water, tadpole cannot become an adult frog. So tadpole, they produce thyroxine in their body by taking iodine from water, and they undergo various changes in their body structure. And if there is insufficient amount of thyroxine in water, then the tadpole cannot change into frog, adult frog. So you can better understand metamorphosis by the given figure. You can see these are the eggs of the frog. from after hatching of the eggs, these are the tadpoles. You can see tadpoles are having tails, and these tadpoles, they use up iodine which is available in water, and they undergo changes. The body structure changes drastically. Slowly the tail, the size of the tail reduces, and finally is into adult frog. So these are the changes taking place in tadpoles. Similar type of changes that is taking place in several insects. Insects lay egg. From that egg, caterpillar is coming out. That caterpillar that finally changes into adult moth or adult butterfly or adult insect. So metamorphosis is controlled by several hormones. Insects, they produce special insect hormones, and frog that produces thyroxine, and by the help of that metamorphosis takes place. So that's all for today. Thank you.